Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn about array, a tool in AutoCAD. Okay, so let's start. First you go to this option, start drawing. Then here you see these options are there: move, rotate, trim, fillet, mirror, copy, stretch, scale, and array. These are all are coming under this modify option. Okay, so today we'll learn about this option array. Okay, so what is array? If you put the cursor here, it will say that the distributes object copies into combination of rows, columns, and labels. Okay, suppose the option is there, one object is there, and repetition is there. Okay, suppose one circle is there, suppose 10 to 15 times it is repeated here in a straight line or in a circle. Okay, so then we can use this option array. Not only circle, any complex structure, any star or gear or whatever structure is there, we can make it means in a number of rows, or we can make it in circle or in a different angle. We can give the spaces are there, we can give. Okay, so it's better if we see these things, then we'll understand. So let's start. This option will see array. Let's first draw a circle, small circle. The circle we have drawn. Okay, now let's go to this option, rectangular array, path array, and polar array. Select this option, rectangular array. Okay, and then click on this circle. Okay, select objects. Object is selected, then press enter. Okay, here you can see what does the rectangular array mean. Okay, if you pull this also, you can see the numbers are increasing. Okay, this option there, another grid is also there. You can pull this here. Okay, suppose this many structures are there. I don't want this many structures. I want only two rows. So here you can change this row number 5 to 2. Okay, so only two rows are there. Now I want the distance between them, more distance we want. So here you can see the distance is there. Okay, so 243 is there. Suppose I want more distance, so let's enter 500. You see, it has changed from 243 to 500. Suppose you want a number of columns and rows. Maybe when somebody. So these are called rows and these are called columns. Okay, suppose this column, 11 columns are there. If you count it here, 11 columns will be there. Here you can see columns. Okay, so I can reduce it to, suppose I don't want 11 columns, I want only 5 columns. So press 5 and enter. So you can see only 5 columns are there. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so if you want more distance, suppose 300, so this much distance also we can give, and press escape or close array option. You can click, you can come out of this. And if you click here, there's another option. You see this grip is there. If you want to increase it manually also, you can increase it. If you want to do it by this entering values also, you can do. Okay, so total between 300, total space is 1200. Okay, the three rows, these all things are there. Labels are also, it can be controlled here. Okay, so let's close it. So this option was for rectangular array. Okay, let's see what does it mean by polar path array, the second option. Okay, so let's delete it. Suppose this small circle is there, or anything. You can draw a rectangle also if you want. Okay, this rectangle is there. Okay, so in I want to do the things, do this circle array in a different path. Okay, suppose the path is like this. Okay, so now what I have to do, just you have to select the option path array, then select the object. This object you select. Okay, object is selected, then press enter or spacebar, then select the path curve. See this complete curve it is selecting. You see, here it is maintaining the same distance. Here it is little bit overlapping. We can change the distance, or we can pull it also, like that we can change it. Okay, This option is there. It will see this line is bending, that's why some overlapping is coming. Okay, so we can simply we can trim it also this particular part. Only these two options are coming. Okay. So any curved space is there also. Any curved space means any curvilinear line is there. Suppose one arc is there. This arc is there. Okay. So I want to draw a rectangle throughout this arc, or any structure you want. You can insert and you can draw it. Okay. Suppose this rectangle, I want to do the path area of this rectangle. Select this object, press enter, then select the path. You see the object now follows the path. Okay, very simply we can do it without doing one by one drawing. Okay, we can give the item number also, rows, how many rows we want also, and the spacing between them also we can define. Okay, very simple. Okay, so we'll see the next option, that is called polar array. This is very useful when we are drawing some circular drawings. Okay, so you must have seen one circle is there, then here one hole is there. So sorry, hole means here one, yes, hole is there, one hole is there. Suppose there are 5 to 6 holes there. Okay, suppose 1 2 3 4, I want 4 holes. So if I will draw one by one 4 holes, it will take more time. Suppose more than 4 is there, 6 holes are there. Okay, 6 holes, 6 holes, one here, one here, one here. No need to do one by one, just select this option polar array, then select the circle, then press enter, then specify the center point of the array. Center point would be this point. Okay, then you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 360-degree angle, 6 objects, so 30 degree, sorry, 60 degree, 60 degree. Okay, so suppose I want to increase the number of objects. Suppose I want to increase it to 9. Okay, and then you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 objects are there. Now you see the angle 40 degree. Okay, so the software will automatically calculate and it will place the object in whichever angle we want. Okay, and whatever rows we want also it can be given. Okay, see the rows. Okay, rows also we can specify in. Okay, so we saw the array concept, all the three options. Okay, so it's very easy. You can practice it by yourself. These three options are rectangular array, path array, and polar array. Okay, if any doubt you are having, post it in the comment section. I will answer all those things. Okay, thank you.